All right, check it out on these 3-speed Walmart cranks. They just have a little chain cover that's bolted in here. I'm just gonna make it into a single speed. I don't know if you can notice, but this inner ring, just get these fake rivets. I'm gonna drill them out, and it appears that the center gear is a solid piece all the way through, and then the outer ring actually rivets to that too, through there. So I'm gonna drill them out, see if I can make that a single speed crank. All right, stage 1 complete. Got that outer ring gear off. Man, that took some drilling. It took about a 16-32 one on the left. But yeah, don't forget to snap off your handy dandy plastic cover that clips on. You don't want to drill through that. Success with the broken drill bit and a bunch of titanium bits dolled up. I cut it off, and it's like, I don't know, these things didn't even come all the way out. Must have been a Terminator robot fell in the Chinese factory steel, because that torched titanium bits just to get that off. But now I got a single speed crank. All right, I threw a little bit of black spray paint on that. Now I got a single speed crank, and then snap this handy dandy cover on there. Then that'll work.